Hey guys, Joe Mahalati here. We're here at the beautiful Canvas Condos. We're gonna have an amazing event. Looking forward to seeing each and every one of you. Again, our goal is to empower agents so that you can take your business to another level. So welcome, it's gonna be great. We have national speaker Jeff Lobb here. There's gonna be tons of prizes that we're gonna be raffling off. Lunch, wine, the whole 9 yards. It's gonna be a great time. We look forward to seeing you. This guy, amongst all the perils, amongst all the challenges, amongst all the naysayers years ago, and I remember this, he only had a handful of agents. Now he's grown a family of agents up to more than 520. I'm so proud to introduce your beloved broker and owner, Bobby Mahalati.
Broker and owner of Luxury Foster. I want to thank Evelyn, I want to thank Family First, and everyone here for helping putting this together. We have a really amazing lineup here. We have Jeff Lobb, who's a nationally known speaker, and he's going to be coming here and sharing with you his wealth of knowledge.
Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff Lobb here, down in Miami at the Canvas Condos with Family First Funding and London Foster agents. Put on this great event today, right here on site at their event, Canvas Condos. We're covering today all the web and social strategies to win listings, more business, and generate more deals. Hey, I'm moving here. Tell me more about the area I'm moving to. And I'm not talking about just posting stuff about it. I'm gonna get you deeper into this. It's not just posting, here's a cool place to live. I'm talking about engaging in the people. In your market, who's the local expert in your market? People on social media are posting things all about their life events. When do you think real estate transactions happen? Life events, right? You think about that.
Got a couple good ideas out of this event. This is a marketing event. I think that we can do together for this property.
Their first condo or their first home, and they have a few children, they don't fit in that home, that life events happen, they need more room, they move up.